Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So, if you've seen my previous video, I have introduced algo trading one strategy, and there are a couple of questions I'm getting from that trading. How there are frequently asked questions from many people. So, I will be clearing those doubts and make sure like it will be more clear. So the thing is like there are these are the few questions I have seen. If you have any other question, please comment. So let's start. The first question, like usually people will ask, like what is the ROI of this? So I have been testing this from last. I started from the Jan, and till now it gives pretty decent ROI. Like on an average, 8 to 10% I'm getting. And it is still giving the same result in this month as well. And let me show. Yeah. So as you see, this is the return till now we got. And in this month, we got only two stop loss. One is 2000 rupees and one is 3000 rupees. And I have been executed this on paper trade Feb month. So in the Feb month also, I think as you see there is a loss of 3000 and there are two stop loss. And we have seen like in last 2 months when I was running this algo trading. So there are a couple of trades which are we got more losses, but let me show that as well. So this screenshot I already shown, and one more screenshot. Yeah. So here you see we got one, two, three, four, five, six stop loss we got. Okay. So I observed like on Thursday on expiry, we got most of the stop losses. So I stopped running on Thursday this algo because this is the option buying strategy. So you can expect a sharp decay, and if you are not getting any movement after entering, so that will be a bit risky. So I stopped it. So when I stopped that, so the ROI is improved, and we have more winning rate in a month. Okay. So that is one thing. And I'm not saying like it will be giving same results every month, but as of now it gave around 8 to 10% return, and on a capital of 1 lakh. So I am considering as a capital of 1 lakh because in case of any consecutive losses, we should be having enough capital to trade our strategy. And if but this strategy will take max, I think around 30 to 40,000 capital. It will be utilized in one trade. So make sure you should be having 50,000 rupees in your account to run this trade. But as per the risk reward and sorry money management stuff, I would be recommending you to have some capital till 1 lakh. If you feel like that amount is still idle, and what we need to do, so you can put your amount in some liquid bees or any stocks or anything whichever you want, and you can once you see there is a drawdown, you can pull that amount into the algo, right? So you can buy some ETFs which is stable and which is giving good result, or liquid bees are giving 6% returns. So you can save your amount there. If something is required or any like any consecutive losses we are getting, then you can utilize that, and we are still running our algo. So it's not like if we keep exact amount, then it is difficult to maintain because it's an intraday strategy and it's a buying strategy of options. So so the target and stop loss are like big percentage impact. If you put 50%, like 50K as a capital requirement, and if you see the loss of 3%, 3,000, then if you consider in a percentage, it is a huge, like 6% on a capital is huge. So instead of that, if we mention in 1 lakh and you see 3,000 is a loss, is 3% is you are expecting loss, and your winning is like around 2,000, 3,000. I understand, like we are, our risk reward is not good, but the winning ratio is very good. Because of that, we are getting into the profit, because this is scalping trading. Whenever and it if you observe, like whenever you are winning, it is only using 7,000 rupees, 7 to 10,000 of your capital only, because it will be running with one lot, right? So if suppose when you enter into the market, then suppose it went back, and then it will be waiting for to do some averaging, and all those things will be done. So to do the averaging and to enter into the P side, it will enter into the P side. If suppose market enter into the first, you enter into the uptrend, then market reverse back, and it will be entering into the P side. And if market again go up, but didn't give a target and start decaying, premiums are decaying, then it will do the averaging and try to do the profit, right? So to do these things, we need capital of 50,000. But if we get a move within in the morning time, if we get a move, then it will in the one lot we will get that profit. Okay, so um, the thing is, like, you need to maintain 50,000 minimum capital. Okay, so yeah. So the next question is, what is the max loss and max profit? So max profit is, first max loss is, it's 3,000. We will not get more than that, and we will be taking 3,000 rupees per day. All right. And max profit is like, we don't have any cap, but I have created trailing stop loss. So suppose if you are getting 2,000 rupees profit, then our trailing stop loss TR will be started from 1,500, and it will be moving 500 rupees. Like for example, if it moved to 2,500, the trailing will be become 2,000. Okay. So in that way, we are locking our profit. So the next thing is, which broker we need to use and which support. So TradeTron is a platform where you can connect with any broker, because it supports a lot of brokers. So let me show that. So broker. So you see the add broker, and just let me scroll. You see. So you just enter the broker name, like Angel. It's taking some time. You see. So whichever broker you select, okay. So there is a documentation is given how to connect with your broker. So when you click this, beside the broker, you will see this documentation. So you see, this is the documentation step by step. They have clearly documented everything. So you need to just watch this. And if you feel like you are not able to understand, there are many videos which will show how to connect with your broker, and the support, you can ask support for this TradeTron. They will tell you how to connect with the broker. Okay. So once you connect with the broker, you can start doing algo trading. And how much capital you need? So I mentioned, like, 50,000 is minimum capital to run this trade, but I recommend 1 lakh capital. So that I have clearly mentioned. And the next thing is total cost to run this algo. Okay. So this is like, suppose if you are running some algo, so there are some cost associated with it. So the thing is, like, if you are running an algo, you need to know, if you are not using TradeTron, so you need to create a, so you need to buy a server, you need to write the code in some programming language, and then you need to do a lot of maintenance and all those things, and make sure your broker is connected correctly. So there are high probability of saying lot of errors you will be getting, like your broker sometimes is disconnect in the middle, something like that. So all those headaches will be taken care of by TradeTron, and it is very easy to use. And you have mobile app also for TradeTron, which will be easy to connect with the broker and run your algo from mobile from anywhere, right? So so for this all these headaches, if they are charging some amount, like subscription will be there, right? So let me, I already shown this payment part. So what you can buy is this 300 rupees you can take, because we are running only one strategy, right? So it will be costing 350 rupees. Okay. So you see here, if you click on buy, this is a trading fee you will be you need to pay every month. Plus there will be a charges from subscription charges for my algo, which is like let me show that as well. mm, yeah, so this is my strategy. Let me open in incognizant mode. Right, so when I do a subscribe, okay, so it's asking for signups. Let me sign up with some other account. Yeah, so now let me paste my strategy and you click subscribe. Okay, so this is a suppose if you want to run with one lot, so the cost will be 500 rupees plus GST. So it will be around 600 rupees. Okay, so if you are running with 10 lots, so it will be around 6,000. Okay, so if you are running for one lot, it will be like 600, and the total cost will be let me mention, to run the algo, one algo. So it is like 350 for TradeTron, and for one lot you need to pay 600 rupees monthly. Okay, so around you can consider like 950 rupees. Okay, per month. Okay, it's not per day, per month. Okay, so this amount is the monthly expenses for you, and it will be covered in one trade. So we are trading 16 days per month, because we are not trading on Thursdays. So in a month we have 20 days, 21 days. So you can consider like 4 days we are not running this algo. So in 16 days we are getting whatever profit you are getting. So this is the total expense you are going to pay. Okay, so this is very minimal charges I have put it, because I want make sure like I'm not putting too much amount here. So the next thing is how many trades per day it will be running. So it will be only one trade. Okay, one trade. So we are very particular on this, and I recommend everyone to use only one trade. Don't use more than that, because it is like um, it's not like, suppose if you are getting a stop loss, consider that is like a not a good day for you, and you are um, and if you try to re-enter, it will be max. You are increasing your losses. Okay, you may get recover, but I don't recommend that. Okay, so just take one trade per day. Okay, don't take more than that per day. Okay, So the next thing is how to connect with the broker. So I already mentioned that how to connect to the broker. You just need to select the broker and follow the steps what it mentioned. And once the brokerage is done, okay, brokerage is selected, and then what you can do is every day morning before market open, you just go to the broker, okay. Then you need to click on this, okay, and once you click, you see token is generated. Now the last update is today 8 o'clock. Okay. So now I don't need, and when you need to make sure your algo is active. Okay. So there is an option called algo active. Okay, dashboard. You can go here as well, but I will be going to deployed. Okay. So this status should be active. Okay. And one more thing is whenever you see like Thursday, you need to stop this algo, right? You click there and you can pause this. Okay. You can pause this and then you can reactivate. Okay. So does means expiry day. Please pause it because why I am saying expiry day, because there are changes in the expiries. Like in Monday, Nifty will be going. So this strategy will be on your Nifty. So make sure we track the Nifty expiries. So Monday it will be shifting. So Monday we will not going to do the trading. Okay. So this is one thing which I want to tell. And the second thing is like till now you can see the performance. If you want to see, you can see the statistics and all. So let me show that as well. So you see, this is a graph which we started from 28th, okay, till now. So this is our capital is growing, okay. So let me see tell you more details. So you see the total capital is 1 lakh. 17 days we have traded till now, and that 10 days are winning, 6 days are loss, 4 days are strike days, and 2 is like losses. So 4 consecutive profits, 2 losses, and the winning rate is 58%. Okay, average profit you are getting uh, like this much per month. Okay, and total profit is this much. Okay, so average ROI is 15% monthly, and total is 12%. Okay, so these are the some statistics you can see. Okay, max profit is, you see, this is the max profit and this is the max loss, and these are the two parameters which I want to focus. And max drawdown is 2.6%. Okay, so max in percent. So yeah, I think this is the overall statistics and daily summary. You can see, as I said, I'm not executing on Thursday. So this is the one which I by mistake executed. I forgot to put pause, but it's okay. So I just immediately stopped it, and even though it may be a profit or loss, I don't care, but the rules are rules. We need to follow it, and I just stopped it and booked the loss. So as you see, on a daily basis, this is the performance. If you see, Monday usually we get 1%, Thursday 6%, and Wednesday we are getting 1%, Friday 4%. Okay, so then you see on the March total trades, and this is the amount what we got, right? So this is a statistics till now, and I will be continuing this. I'm pretty confident on this thing. Okay, so let's see how it's perform. And if any changes are required in this algo or any updates are required, I will do it, and you don't need to worry. It will automatically update in your algo as well. So this is all about I want to discuss. I think I cleared most of the questions. And if suppose you are facing any issue, you can reach out to me, or if anything related to this app or anything related to installation and all, so you can let me know. Okay, so So if you don't understand this video, I recommend you to watch the previous video, because there are a lot of information like I have given. This is like frequently asked questions. And one more question they have asked, like which broker should I choose? So I recommend the broker which is giving pre API. So if you are using Zerodha, then you need to pay 2,000 rupees monthly. Two to the 2 to 3,000 approx you need to pay monthly. So I'm selected Shunya. So I think Angel is also giving free API, and you just check like which API, which broker is giving APIs, because we don't want to pay for that when we are getting free of cost, right? So just I'm not promoting any broker, but just I want to make sure like you give less amount to the, or you brokerage and API amount you should ignore. You can ignore. Okay. So this is the last thing I think I want to discuss. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe. You will be getting a lot of updates from this strategy, and definitely I will be make sure you will be getting a good returns and good profitable thing. And just want to note, like I am not SEBI registered or trader or anything. So please do your analysis and do your research and do back test. Do you have paper trade to do? Once you get confidence, then only invest. So the strategy can be run freely on like paper trade also. So see this performance of this algo and think, then you do the deployment. So I'm not recommending anyone to use this algo, and whatever profits are lost, it's yours. I'm not responsible for that. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thanks for watching.